Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to review this LED ring light. This is a quality product and we will test it and see. I already have a LED ring light, but this one is newer and I'm going to test it and see if it's better than the one we already have. This is an ultra thin design, stylish appearance, 360 degrees flicker free, light source, halo eyes, lighting effect, nearly shadowless light, ABS material, lightweight and portable feature. And on the side here we can see that it's 16-inch, dimmable bicolor and light stand, and here it shows that it's plugging for Europe. Okay, let's open it and see how it looks. Okay, so this is ZOMEI. I really like this carrying bag, and it has an extra, oh, we have something here, so we have to search every pocket and see. This is the cable. Let's see what else. So we have this handle here, and we also have this one. We can carry it on our shoulder. And I think, yeah, we can adjust it. Okay, let's open it and see the LED ring light. Here we have it. I think this is the mount for the phone. I will show you all after I will get them out. We have a really cute pocket here with the instructions, and I'm not sure, this is empty. It's really soft here, so it's protecting the light when you are transporting it. Okay, let's see what's inside here. We have the tripod. This is really heavy, really cool material. It also says here ZOMEI. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, guys. I think this is the warranty card. 2 years limited warranty for member registration. Here they have other products that you can purchase. Here is the instruction manual. You can see everything that you need here. It says how to, every step. You need to mount it, but it's not that hard. My other model has some plastic, I think 3 plastic pieces here that you can change from the white light and the yellow light, but this one is adjustable here on the back. We have an on and off button, and we have the dimmable button and the color temperature. So this is really cool that you don't need to switch these plastic things here, and it's way easier to use that way. You can also put it on the wall. You have a system here that's really cool. So first we need to unscrew this here to let these go down. Okay, so this is the correct position. I'm sorry, I don't have much space here. This is the position, and here we need to put the LED ring light. Okay, so this is the new LED light, and with the tripod you can also set it like that on the ground, so it will be extra stable if you are using it maybe outside. Here you can adjust it the way you want. I think this is perfect. You can also adjust it like that, so it won't consume a lot of space. Here you control how tall you want to make it. This is maximum, and you can always use this to make it even more taller. Okay, it's time to put the LED light on. Perfect. here we have the tilt button right here. You can adjust it the way you want. And just tighten this screw here, or knob, and now it can move. Okay, you can turn this. Here's how it looks. You need to plug the power cable in. Here we have the phone mount. You can fix it, adjust it the way you need. And then you need to put this screw here. Let's see now how we mount the phone. Wow, works great. You don't need to use the phone mount if you are using a camera. This is a universal mount, so you can always put your camera here. As you can see, I have prepared to make some cute pics with these LOL and Num Nums. We also have a toy review channel, so if you want to check that out, it is called Tanya's Toys Review, or you can go check us out on Instagram. Okay, now it's time to turn on the ZOMEI. Okay, now let's use the dimmable button. Okay, this is the maximum, and this is off. Now let's try to switch the color temperature. It's kind of looking yellow right now. Let me show you. And this is yellow, and this is white now. Yellow. Okay, let's see the wall. And now we are turning it to white. Yellow. And you can always put it down the middle, so the pictures will look really natural. Okay, now that it's down the middle, we are gonna use the dimmable button again. And this is the maximum. Let's see how it looks on white. Actually, it looks really good, but it doesn't look that natural. Okay, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this review. And now we are gonna put it back in the bag. And here on the back, you have another way that you can carry this tripod. Okay, so everything is packed and ready to go. Really easy to put back in. And I can't wait to take awesome photos with this. I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will see you soon. Bye!